Where's the dog? Alice, are you not wearing any pants? You're not wearing pants? Okay, come here, Jack. Sit. Sit. Come here. Oh, come here. Okay, say, Jack, come over here. Come here. You love this. We have to get him wet first. Okay, ready? You want to get him wet? Yeah. Want to get him wet? Okay, come on, you gotta get him wet. I will hold his collar. You gotta get him more wet than that. Here, rub him with the water like this. Okay? Good. You got it. Okay. Wet dog. Wet dog. Do you think Jack likes this?
Yeah, he does.
You think he does? Let's look. Does Jack like this? Jack, do you like this? Oh! No! Jack got us wet. Here, can I have the towel? Yo, wet dog, wet dog.
Can I have it? Can I have it? I want him to do that again.
No. Okay, Jack, do you like it? Let's ask him if he likes it. Jack, do you like it? Do you feel good? Look at me, Jack. Okay, no, don't. Okay, come here. Oh. Hey, come over here, Jack. Come over here. Let's turn you around. Oh, that's a big wet dog. Big wet dog. Oh, look. You.
Get him on his legs, too.
I will. Do you think that he likes this a lot?
Yeah. Got them in my mouth.
Ugh. You're gonna not be such a no! Okay, can you hand me the shampoo over there? No! Okay, here, give me the shampoo.
Dad, don't do that. That's bad.
Oh look, this smells like vanilla beans. It says wet pet completely. Apply liberal quantity of shampoo.
I think he likes that. I think he likes it.
You think he likes it? Okay, now we gotta rub him.
Oh.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Here, no, here, you want to use a towel, okay?
Yes.
And rub his butt. Rub him like you're washing his hair. Alice, you're missing most of his hair. Here, can I do some?
Yeah.
Like this. Go like this. Open it up. And go. No, Jack's not going to knock the bucket over.
I think he was going to kick it over.
Oh, who's a smelly wet dog? Can you do that?
Yeah.
You want to do it? No!
He's a smelly bad dog.
Wash behind the ears, Doc. How are we going to wash his belly meat? Because if he lays down on the ground... Ugh. Yeah, he does. He's going to be a good smelling dog. No!
You're a smelly bad dog.
Okay. Okay, well, let's try and wash his belly, okay? Ugh. One of us smells terrible, Jack. One of us. One of us. He looks like two of us. Oh, you like that? Yeah, me neither. Ugh. Stinky wet dog. Stinky wet dog. I'm afraid. Let's do his. No, no, no! Don't do that. Don't. Oh yeah, look at you. Oh yeah, you love this. Oh, you do. Yeah, mommy went inside. Oh, look at that wet, stinky dog.